So in this video, I will teach you how to compute your monthly amortization if you are planning to loan in the bank. Marami kasing mga client ko na nagtatanong paano mag-compute, magkano yung kanilang monthly na babayaran. So here's the formula. So you can take note of this formula so you can compute by your own. So you will get your, you will know your monthly amortization or your monthly payment. So your desired amount divide by your prepared loan term. So it could be 12 months or 1 year. It could be 18 or 1.5 years, 24 or 2 years, and 36, 3 years. Some bank offered 5 years. So in this case, I will give you an example. For example, my desired amount or my desired loan amount, gusto kong mag-borrow ng 200,000. And 200,000 divided by 36, gusto ko ng 3 years term. So 200,000 divided by 36 equals 5,555.56. So that's the answer A. So let's skip that answer. Then next, let's compute again. Again, amount, your desired amount times interest rate of the bank. So you need to know the interest rate or the minimum interest rate of the bank. So for example, again, I want 200,000 times, for example, I choose the bank who offered interest rate of 1.49%. So equals, so the answer will be 2,980. So that's your answer B. So now you need to compute or to sum the answer A and B. So if we add both, so 5,555.56 plus 2,980. So the answer or your monthly amortization will be 8,535.56. So that's it. Malalaman nyo na po ang inyong babayaran per month. So you need to list your amount, your loan amount desired, yung loan term na in-offer ng bangko, and the interest rate of the bank. So I hope it helps. See you in the next video.